And we're back with the show that nobody likes. And today we are interviewing a monkey. So tell me, monkey, I've been wondering this. What is wrong with your body?
Well, interview Carter. When I was a child, my mama beat me. That's all.
Well, that's good. So that other people can laugh at you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I guess so.
So, is your favorite fruit a banana like regular monkeys?
What's a banana?
Were you dropped on your head as a baby?
No, I was thrown.
That makes more sense. Now, do you like flinging poo? In case you don't know what poo is, it's stuff that comes out your butt.
Is it that yellow stuff?
Yes.
Any more
Okay.
questions?
Another question is, what's with the fat head?
What's with your fat mouth? Mother! And we're done with this show. I'm sorry. Bye.